What's going on, guys? Today we're playing the game of find the oil leak. So, motor's coming out of the Bronco. Hopefully not all the way.
Yeah, that's how bad it is.
It's that bad. It's that bad.
According to him.
Bruh.
It literally... I'll have to upload a photo of the oil leak. It's bad. It's bad. So, yeah. That's today's mission. Make sure we put the things on there that I already did, so that it's not completely depressing.
All right, so to-do list here.
Three hours later.
Finally got that oil pan off. So we don't get copyright. Look at that thing.
Spit on that thing.
Whoa. Look at that thing. Finally coming off. Oh yeah. Give it that good old hawk tool, baby.
Hawk to it.
See if this thing will adjust. Damn, this girl's under. Oh my goodness. Right there. Oh man. She still doesn't want to come off. Yeah, the rear end is probably still stuck on. It is. There it is. Ooh. Your fingers are okay? Yeah. What happened? Can't really see up in there, but
It's not gonna come off with the exhaust on.
womp womp womp.
Trying to see where the
It's in there, bro. I heard it. It flew somewhere that way, and then it didn't fall anywhere. I heard it. Ding, 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 ding. It's like,
There it is, yep.
it's all right.
Bam.
So, I got my wrench back. It only took pulling out the whole damn motor.
Jaime got his wrench back, and we only had to pull the whole motor to do it.
Yay.
Good job, Jaime.
Hey guys, before you click away, we want to tell you about our website, dailydoseofdirt.com. It's a new off-road social media website where you have the ability to go in and create your own groups. So whether you're into BMX, motocross, supercross, rally, adrenaline style off-roading, King of the Hammers, rock crawling, whatever it may be, you have the ability to go create groups, invite your friends, and start your own community based off of the things that you're passionate about. It's free to create an account. Please go and check it out. The link is in our bio. Thank you guys for watching.